Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix turning on stolen device protection requires Find My iPhone to be turned on. So guys, when you try to turn on stolen device protection and you are facing this issue again and again, as you can see here when I am going to turn this on and facing this issue. So guys, easily you can fix this problem and easily you can turn on stolen device protection without any error. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to go back, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. From here you have to update your iOS device to latest iOS version 18, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to open your Apple ID here, and after this here you can see the option of Find My. You have to click on it and you need to turn it on from here. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, now we will check that our problem has been fixed or not. So guys, here you can see when I am going to turn on stolen device protection. Then guys, now you can see my problem has been fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.